How to fix sign out is not available due to restriction on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix sign out is not available due to restriction on iPhone. So as you can see, I'm currently on my iPhone, and whenever I about to sign out the account from my iPhone, you can see there is a error message being displayed and sign out button is being grayed out saying sign out is not available due to restriction. So to easily fix that, just head back to your settings page and simply scroll all the way down until you see the screen time. So this might be happening because of the restrictions on your iPhone itself. So just scroll down on once you're inside this screen time option and select this content and privacy restrictions. So once you're inside here, you might as well disable this from over here. So make sure to remember your passcode if it asks you, which you have set it up previously, and just disable it. And once you do that, just come back over here and under this turn off and app web and website activity, you can also turn this off as well, as screen time will no longer be reported. So just turn this off, and once you do that, just tap on this change screen time passcode finally, and you can just turn off the screen time passcode just like this. And again, make sure to remember your correct passcode. And once you do all of that, now your screen time is turned off, which means your restrictions is gone. Now it should be open. Now simply tap on this account section, and as you can see, my sign out button is not grayed out and I can simply sign out from my account just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.